Okay, I just got a couple of packages in today. We'll look at this one first. Has a very nice case. Very well made. Then I open the case up. And I've got a real nice pick. Real nice and smooth and shiny. Nice wooden handle on it. Then we go just a little bit deeper. We've got some more carry picks. If you need to carry a pick with you. This is a snake rake. It has a tension wrench in the end that comes out. Then we also have a little diamond pick, and it has a tension wrench with it, just like the other one. Okay, now this is a hook. Very nice made. Has a tension wrench with it also. So these can be carried in your pocket, wherever you go. That way you can be ready. Now we go just a little further. He sent me a looks like a cutaway of a Euro lock or a dimple lock, or maybe it's okay. It is a dimple lock. So you can actually see the pins, how they work. You may not be able to see it on the camera, but you can see the pins. That's a good training lock. Okay, let's put this to the side. Okay, Trevor also sent me a couple of challenge locks. One is a Sergeant. He didn't cover up the bitting on the key, so I think it's a 6-pin. And he also sent this one. I have no idea what make this is. It looks like a RC on it. Part of the key is covered up, but not all of it. Looks like it might be a 5-pin. And this keyway looks similar to a Slade keyway. Let me see if I have a Slade key. Okay, it is a Slade keyway, but it looks like a RC on it. Look kind of like an igloo. Okay, this is not the key for it, but it is a Slade keyway, and it looks like it's a 5-pin, and it looks like Slade keyway here, or a key. And he also sent me some pins. These for making challenge locks with. There are some pin and pins in this one, and this one is just a regular serrated key pins. But okay, I appreciate all of these fine items from Trevor and West Coast Picks. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you for watching. I guess somebody'd like to see one of these locks opened anyway. So I'll see if we can open this Easy Lock, this Schlage keyway. I may have wished I hadn't tried to open it yet. No telling what kind of pins he's put in it. But we'll try it. Just see how difficult this lock is. Let's see what kind of pick will work in this Schlage keyway, but it looks like it's a little tighter than most Schlages, or it seems to be anyway. I'm going to try to use this bottom of the keyway, and let's see if this pick will work. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, there was pin 4 and 3, I believe. There's 1. Okay, there's pin 5. See if we can back the tension wrench up a little bit, get that pin 4. See, we got to back it up a little bit to get that pin 1. Okay, we dropped some pins when we did that, so let's go to the back of the lock now. Okay, there's pin 5. Okay, let's go to the back. Okay, pin 4. It's pin 3. Okay, a little bit more on pin 5. Okay, there it is open. I believe it was on pin 4. Okay, let's go ahead and take this key off if we can find the end of the tape. Okay, let's see if we can cut it. Okay, there is the bitting on the key. See if we can gut this real quick. Okay, there's something weird about this lock. Okay, there we go. I hope. Alright, let's just go ahead and pull the pins out like this. Okay, there's pin 5. It's a pin and pin. setup. Excuse me, let me get the camera down a little bit different. Okay, pin 5 was a pin and pin. And that one is a pin and pin too, I believe. We'll check them real close. Pin 3. Pin 2. And I think number 1 dropped out. Okay, there's another pin. Okay, I don't think there's anything else in the Bible. And it doesn't look like he's been into the Bible before. Okay, looks just standard. Okay, let's check our bottom pins now. Okay, all 5 pins are in and working. Okay, he has some threading in number 4 and 5. Well, this one's been enlarged somewhat. Nothing on 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's take a close look at the pins. Looks like he had some pin and pins on this lock. Let's get over to this one. Okay, there's a standard pin in number 1, key pin. Okay, this, I don't know what this is. This kind of like a serrated spool. Had this pin in. This is another, oh wait a minute, this 2-piece key pin that goes there. Okay, this one goes here. This is a thing. Okay, you had a 2-piece key pin with a spring on it. Okay, that is a spool with a tip on it. I thought it come out like this, but maybe it come out this way. Not sure. There's a spool key pin, another little spool key pin. This is another special pin, serrated, tapered on the bottom. And on number 5, we had a pin and pin with 2 pieces on the pin and a standard key pin. Okay, Trevor, I appreciate this challenge lock. And West Coast Picks, I appreciate this nice package of picks also, and of the cutaway on the dimple lock. Okay, everyone, please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it.